Welcome to Trains Around Scotland for May 2022. Wasting no time, let's get right into the action. So kicking things off, this is Howwood on the 1st of May, and 3Q62, the delay 1229, turn up at 1326. Slateford Depot to Falkland SS UTU train, with 37116 and notably an ex-DRS Mark II coach in the consist. Then the day after on the 2nd, it's off to Paisley-Gilmer Street for first 4M48, the 1807 Mossend to Daventry Tesco Express, with 88002 leading 68002. Then next was 4M30, the 1928 Grangemouth to Daventry boxes stopped here in Paisley, having a crew change with 66070 in charge. Next was 1Z44, the 2010 Oban to Lancaster Blue Pullman. This was supposed to reverse in Eldersley, but due to a points failure it would continue to Barassi and then on to the GSW, and the traction was Intercity Swallow 43049 leading 43046. Then next was the return of 37116 under 3Q63, the 2019 Falkland to Kings Park. Then finally that night was 4S44, the 2036 Daventry to Mossend boxes with 88005 and 68005. Then on the 3rd, it's off to Saltcoats in the early hours of the morning. For 6S54, the 0806 Carlisle Kingmoor to Hunterston Flash with 68007 and 68016. Then it's to Cartland on the same day. For first, 1MO3, the 1801 Shieldmuir to Warrington with 325005 and 325012. Then next was 6L35, the 1810 Mossend to Dagenham Docks empty car train, with a triple of EWS shed 66119 leading 66187 and 164. Then next was 4M11, the 1848 Coatbridge to Crewe with 90s 014 and 041. Then moving around the corner for 4M48, the 1921 Mossend to Daventry with 88002. Then finally that night was 4Z70, the delayed 1832 to up at 1924 Bescot downsidings to Mossend down yard with 37425 and 25 IKA wagons. Then it's to Paisley on the 9th of May for the 318 drags, and the return of the refurbished 318 was 5Q8, the 1147 Kilmarnock to Yoker CS with 37884 and 318264. Then it's down to Kilwinning for the returning 5Q08 Yoker CS to Kilmarnock with 37884, now returning with 318259 going for refurb. Then fast forwarding to the 15th of May at Paisley for 6K15, the 2036 Millerhill SS to Dalymple Junction with 66,736 TNT with 66,720. Then it's over to the east coast on the 17th for first 4 Echo 96 the 1039 Mossend to South Bank with 66,103. Then next was 6S31, the delayed 1132, turn up at 12:49, Doncaster up decoy to Millerhill SS with 56,049 and the drainage train on the rear of the consist. Then next was 6Z67, the 1340 Oxwellmains to Millerhill PCA scrap move, with 66,546 taking its 42 wagons to Liverpool for scrapping. Then finally that day it's to Oak Call for 6M50, the early 1550 turn up at 1534, Torness to Carlisle Kingmoor Flass with 68,018 and 68,004. And then it's to the 21st, and this is just outside of Annan at a place called Dornoch for first 4S44, the 1837 Daventry to Mossend with 68,018 leading 88,002. And then next was 4S47, the 1855 Daventry to Grangemouth with 66,060. And then it's to Paisley on the 31st for first 6N47, the 1812 Prestwick to Grangemouth Aviation empties with 56,302. And then my last catch was 5Q08, the 1850 Yoker to Kilmarnock with 37,800 taking 318,270 for refurbishment.